Welcome to IT Handy Guide tutorial. My name is Kevin. In this tutorial, I'm going to demonstrate how to update from old version to new version. So the current old version is 5.9.4. The latest version is 6.0.2. So I'm going to demonstrate how to update from 5.9.4 to 6.0.2. Okay. Previously, we have installed the WordPress 5.9.4 to Demo02 folder. In this section, I'm going to back up database and the WordPress file, and then I'm going to update automatically to WordPress version 6.0.2. Firstly, I have to go to back up the database and back up the WordPress file. So I'm going to PHP myadmin. Over here, I'm going to PHP myadmin. So this is the home page of the PHP myadmin. What I'm going to do is I'm going to click Demo02, and I'm going to click export. And everything I will leave as a default setting. This is a quick, so I will say export. So it will export to the download folder. So I go to the download folder, Control X, and cut to the desktop. I don't need this, so I can delete that. Okay. So this is the Demo02 backup database. So now what I'm going to do is I'm going to show you what is inside. So right click, open Notepad++. So you can see there are a lot of SQL file that create the table, and this one actually insert some data. So this is all about the WordPress database. So what I'm going to do is I will leave this database backup over here. It's actually quite small. It's only like 1.13 megabyte. Okay, so now I'm going to back up the WordPress file, and this is big. Let me show you. So I need to go to C drive, Apache, HT document. Over here, this is the website I'm going to back up. Look at how big it is. It is 71.5 megabyte. So I'm going to Control C and Control V to back up. And it will take a while to back up, so I'm going to start recording for now. Hi, I'm back. What I have done is I copy Demo02 to this one. So I'm going to change the name to backup. Okay, so I just back up all the WordPress file to here, and this is the WordPress database. So I back up WordPress file and back up the database. Now I'm ready to update. Before you update, this is my website, and this is my admin page. Let me copy to here. Website. This is website, and this is admin page. Okay. All right. So over here, I need to go to update. I need to go to plugin first. So I need to go to plugin to confirm all of the plugin is currently deactivated. Okay, they are deactivated. So I need to go back to the dashboard update. So over here, my current version is 5.9.4. So I'm going to click update to version 6.0.2. And I'm pretty sure it will fail, because at the moment in my PHP configuration file, which is php.ini, in my php.ini file, and the maximum execution time is 30 seconds. That means after 30 seconds, it will time out. Obviously, 30 seconds is not good enough to update the WordPress version. So I need to change the 30 seconds to 600 seconds. That means it's 10 minutes. See? They say maximum execution time 30 seconds by default. Okay? So because it over 30 seconds, so therefore I have to change the maximum time. Alright. Here is my suggestion. Every time when you try to update website automatically, if that fail, okay, they might broken something. Okay, they might broken something. In this case, you should recover your database. You should recover your WordPress file. This is my suggestion. And if you don't do that, after a long time, your WordPress website might crash. Okay, so in this case, what I'm going to do is I'm going to demonstrate how to recover everything from the backup file. Firstly, you have to go to php-myadmin. You have to click this one. Oh, sorry, you have to go to new and click wait demo 02. Before you delete that, you need to copy this name, copy to somewhere like here. I copy to here. Okay, so now I can take that one and click drop. So I'm going to delete the wait demo 02 database. So now I don't have wait demo 02 database anymore. And then I'm going to create a new database with the same name and say create. And then I'm going to click wait demo 02 import. So I'm going to import from the database backup which I store in desktop, this place. Press open and I can do the import. It will take a very long while to import the database. So this is the database backup. I will restore from here. This is actually quite small. It's only like 1.13 megabyte. And it takes a while. Now it's ready. It's about like a few seconds. So now I still have all the data and with the 12 tables. That looks fine. Okay. So come back to the document root. This is my document root. It's in the C drive Apache 94 HT docs. And this is my backup file. What I'm going to do is I'm going to delete this one. Then I'm going to Control C and Control V to copy the backup file. It will take a while to copy this file, so I'm going to start recording now. Hi, I'm back again. And this is the folder that I have just copied, so I'm going to change the name back to the wait demo 02. Like this. So now if I come in here and sorry, not this one. I come in here and type this one. I will come back to WordPress admin page. And if I come back to here, I can come back to the website. So this is WP admin. Oops. Going back, WP admin. And this is wait demo 02. So now I am still in 5.9 point something, I remember. Okay, so it's still 5.9.4. So I can still update to version 6.0.2, but I'm pretty sure it will fail because the execution time is 30 seconds. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to C drive, PHP, and I'm going to PHP-ini. This is the PHP configuration file. So I need to search maximum execution time. By default, it is 30 seconds. So I'm going to change to 600 seconds. That means 10 minutes. And Control S. After I change the PHP-ini, I should go to the Service Manager. And I have to restart Apache. And every time when I restart Apache, I should also restart MySQL just to be secure. But the truth is, you don't have to restart your MySQL. But the reason why I do that, because it doesn't take too much time. So when I come back to here, close this window. So I'm going to try to update again. Let me do the refresh. And this one is also refresh. So I'm going to update again. So now I'm pretty sure the maximum execution time is 600 seconds. That means 10 minutes. So I can click update to version 6.0.2. And it will take a while to update everything, but I'm pretty sure this time will be success. If everything goes through, then it will jump back to this page. it will jump back to the dashboard page. It's going to update now, so it will start to download the WordPress file, and then will unpack your WordPress file, and then update your database. It will do a lot of things all together just by one click. Therefore, this is the best way to update your database. So always try to use update automatically before you do anything manually. Okay, so try to do this method in your local machine. If your local machine can update automatically, and then don't copy and paste all the file into the remote machine. Go to the remote machine, back up the remote database, back up remote file, and then do the update automatically in remote machine. Okay, this is super important. Don't copy the file from your local machine and paste to the remote machine. Don't do that. Okay, don't do that. Now you can see it is still taking a while to update everything, and after it finished, almost finished. Why? An unexpected error occurs. Sometimes may run blah blah blah. The server, if configuration problem, please support. Okay, this is another problem. Sometimes this might happen. In this case, you still have to recover back to the previous version. In my case, I'm going to delete the database and do that again. So I'm going to just wait until it finishes. So I'm going to start recording for now. After a few seconds, they actually come back to WordPress 6.0.2. If you go to dashboard, go to update, it will still tell you, hey, your version is 6.0.2. But I'm pretty sure I failed something before. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to recover everything back. So I'm going to show you how to recover everything back again. So come back to here. I'm going to delete everything over here. So I'm going to Apache, HT document. So I'm going to delete this one. I'm going to copy this one again. It will take a while. In the meantime, I'm going back to here. phpMyAdmin. I'm going to new. It takes a while, and I'm going to click tick wait demo 02. I'm going to drop this one, and this is the database name. I'm going to create the same database name and click create. So now I have just a new database. So now I'm going to import data. Click this one, import, and choose the file. I'm pretty sure the file is on the desktop. And click that one, press open, and click import. That's it. It's still running. Okay. Oh, it actually just a finished copy. So this is the file I have just a copy. So I need to change the name back to the wait demo 02. Okay. So now my database is also ready. So I can come back to the home page. Okay. So over here, I'm going to copy this one. Open the wait demo 02 again. It takes a while to go to that page. In the meantime, I try to go to the home page. This is admin page. This is home page. Okay, looks fine. So that means I'm going back to 5.9.4. You can double check your version. Okay. In the meantime, I'm pretty sure my execution time is 600. Just want to be secure. I'm going to restart my Apache and MySQL together. Restart Apache. It takes a while, but won't be long. Wow, it really takes a while. Okay, I try to be ready. I need to go to plugin over here. I need to confirm all of the plugin is currently deactivated and come back to the dashboard update over here. Okay, I just finished to restart my Apache. Now I'm going to MySQL to restart MySQL as well. Okay, I'm pretty sure I'm almost ready. So now I'm just waiting this one restarting. Looks like fine right now. So I'm going to click update version. So I'm pretty sure this time will be fine because I already recovered everything back. Also, I changed the maximum execution time to 10 minutes and restart Apache, restart MySQL, and my internet is currently fine. So I'm pretty sure that should be due. Okay, just wait. I don't want to see any error message again. Let's see what's going on. Okay, start to download the file and start to authenticating the WordPress, unpacking the update. Looks pretty good now. I'm still waiting. Okay, this is the best way to update your WordPress version automatically. If I can do this successfully in my local machine, then I will go to the remote machine. Okay, but I'm not going to copy my local file into the remote machine. I don't want to use the FTP to copy and paste and override what I have done in remote. What I will do is when I try to update successfully in my local computer, I will go to the remote machine. Remote machine can be GoDaddy or AWS. I'm going to the remote machine and back up remote database and back up remote file, and then try to use automatic update in remote machine. Okay, if there's anything wrong, I will just repeat all the steps, recover everything back, and repeat all the steps, just like what I have shown you. Look at this time, there's no error message. I'm pretty sure everything will be fine. So at this time, I don't want to start recording. I will just keep recording to see what is going on. If everything is alright, you will come back to the dashboard. Let me have a look what's going on. Finger crossed. I hope everything is good. Okay, looks pretty good. Updating the database now. They actually copy all the file. Oh, everything is good. Okay, so now I'm going back to the dashboard, go to the update. Now my current version is 0.0.2. If you want to update your plugin, yes, you can, because you already have the latest WordPress. So now you can update your plugin, but I'm not going to demonstrate the plugin over here. Okay, so here you are. I just update the WordPress version. So after you've done that, you have to come back to here, change to 30 seconds. So that means the maximum execution time is 30 seconds now. After you've done that, close this one and restart the Apache and restart MySQL as well. So I can close this one. So now I can go to MySQL to restart. Okay, almost there. Okay, I have to restart everything now. Alright, so what I've done is I have just update my WordPress version. It also update the Demo02 database as well. Okay, this is how you update everything automatically. I hope you enjoy my tutorial. Have a good day.